thank you very much for sparing time off your schedules to be here with us. Firstly, I hope everyone's staying healthy and safe indoors in these troubled times. So I think we're still expecting a few more guests to join us, but to do justice to those who are here on time, I think it's best we start off. So we warmly welcome you to this session and thank you again for being here with us. The agenda today is to officially announce the partnership between South Asian Technologies and Sophos. Our plan is to introduce you to the key stakeholders in this operation so that partners like yourself have a clear understanding and picture of who SAT and how SAT and Sophos is going to work here on the way forward here in Sri Lanka. So, well, today, not taking too much more time, but let me just start off on this. I mean, all of you all know and are aware of SAT. We are a value-added distributor and we've provided quite a few value-added services and products to partners like yourself. We're extremely proud to announce that we've also got Sophos added to the same basket and see an extremely fruitful relationship ahead. So Sophos is no new name to you either. Most of you guys have already worked with Sophos and I'm sure you know all of its capabilities too. And Sophos has proven quite a strong, has basically proven to us that it's a strong player in the market globally nowadays, and it's been ranked on top by most of these studies and certifications that most of the customers also evaluate nowadays. So I'm sure the team from Sophos would do better justice to talk about the product and all of those in detail. So without taking much time, I'd like to introduce Mr. Sunil Sharma to all of you. So Mr. Sunil is the Managing Director Sales for India and SAARC at Sophos. With over 29 plus years in the IT industry. He's also been a part of different OEMs, and that exposure has surely helped Mr. Sunil with being a visionary for growing revenue at Sophos across the regions that he manages. He's also very much experienced across the different industries, and his knowledge can surely help us approach our customers in the market here today. So we've also been told he's writing a book to share his knowledge of driving sales in the IT industry. I hope I'll be able to get my hands on a copy of it once he has it released. So over to you, Mr. Sunil.
Thank you, Shabir. Thank you. Really appreciate the introduction. It's, I think, beyond my expectation. First of all, thank you very much. And hello, Sanjay. I think long time, although I'm seeing you now through this virtual platform, but I still remember our meetings in the hotel and at your office. So pretty long, association with you as a friend, and now it is converting into as a business partner. So nice of you. Thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity for starting this kickoff as our tie-ups, our partnership. What a wonderful moment today. So all my dear partners who are there on this call, I can see there are more than 100 participants who are already on this particular call. So thank you very much. Really appreciate taking your precious time out of your valuable schedule to join this. And I can assure you that we will make this time investment is a real investment, which will actually get you more dollars in the business. So Sophos is a company, just to give a bit of overview on Sophos. I'm not going to present any slides, so don't worry, just listen to me. And wherever you have questions, you can ask me. Sophos is a company, almost $1 billion company now already. And I hope that once we announce the results, you will have more clarity on our revenue, but growing in double digits. We have more than 420,000 plus customers globally. And at the same time, we have 3,500 our own employees, and all this business which is happening is through partners like you. So kudos to you all partners. Not even a $0. Now I'm sure Sanjay will smile on this. Not even $0 business we do through directly, and we do all business, 101% business, all through that our partners like you. And we value the partnership. We value the relationship which you bring it on the table. We value your skill set. We value what you actually bring it from your industry, from your verticals, from your segments. So thank you very much for joining us, us on this call. In terms of, when I look at 3,500 people working globally, I want to tell you that 1,500 people are based out of this APJ. And out of that, when I look at Sri Lanka and India, it will be more than 1,100 people, my dear friends. And I'm so proud that when I joined this company, almost now I'm going to complete 10 years, first thing what I did was opened office in Sri Lanka. And I said, we need to open office in Sri Lanka. We need to have a representation. And that is where we started those operations. I'm so glad that our South team, South director, Mr. Prasanna, is also there on this call with his South zonal manager, pre-sales, Mr. Santosh Varki, along with other, channel leaders like Rajiv, who looks after the entire India, and Sak and Nishant, who looks after the program, Komal, who looks after the distribution segment. But I would want to appreciate here, there are two gentlemen, Prasad and Livan. These are are key people for Sri Lanka. They're based out of Colombo and they are doing wonderful job. You know how many customers they have acquired in the past years? More than 1,000 customers, my dear friend. 1,000 customers. How many partners are working with us? More than 100 partners are working with us. So if you really would want to part of this double-digit growth journey, I would request and I would invite you to become part of this journey, because we are really speeding like a rocket in terms of growth. Why? Because Sophos believe that we provide solutions from a SMB segment to the mid-market segment to the enterprise class of segment. So we cover up the entire verticals and across all segments. And in terms of solutions, if you look at whether it is endpoint solution, whether it is network security solution, or it is access point, or it is SD-WAN solutions, or it is email, it is web, you name the cybersecurity solution, we covers up everything. And now the name of the game is MTR, which is, I'm so proud that we bring that technology on the table. Very few vendors worldwide are able to offer such kind of managed threat response kind of technology on the table, and in such a beautiful way that your customers would love to have those kind of technologies. And you as partners will not only be so proud, because let me tell you why I am into cybersecurity. Lot many people ask me that question, and I am answering here that when I get up in the morning, I feel so proud that I'm part of cybersecurity. Why? Because I am protecting my customers' precious data. With the help of whom? With the help of partners like you. So I think it is such a feeling, a pride, in myself, that we are protecting. It's like a cop who actually does the right job. And we being part of cybersecurity as a system, I think wonderful, industry, wonderful, as a segment, as a domain, and we are able to offer our services to a lot of customers who are actually being threatened by cyber criminals. Nowadays, as you know, that cyber, I would really not want to say this word, but it's like, people are talking about COVID pandemic, kind of situation. I would say cyber pandemic is another word which you take it from me, that this has actually started. In the last 1.5 years, since then, corporates have moved out from their offices to home. Each home user has become a branch office. And it is very difficult for all the CISO and CTOs and CIOs to actually protect them, because their laptop, their computer is not only being used for their office purpose, but also being used for their kid who's actually taking online classes. And when they download such kind of software, it becomes, you have vulnerabilities in that software. The software is not properly updated, and you have adversaries, which they actually attack. Adversaries, in my opinion, a lot of people are not even aware that they actually, as per one of the research what we conducted, they actually remain in your system for 11 days before they get converted into an attack. So friends, this is right time for us as partners and vendor to provide right kind of solution and right kind of information to our set of customers. And I would totally 100% rely on distributors like SAT and the partners. We together as partners are able to bring those customers and tell them that what exactly is happening, tell them honestly what is the right solution for them, become their trusted advisor, my dear friends. And that is how we can actually win the confidence with the customers and bring in business, which is an absolute legitimate business, which is a business where we feel proud that we are getting that business by protecting our customers. So that's a very, very small introduction I thought of starting with. I would not go beyond this, and I would want to hand over to Shabir once again. Shabir, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I am very excited and thrilled to introduce that we have, SAT, who is joining us as a distributor. In Sri Lanka, we have 2 distributors. We had earlier 2 also, but one has gone away, and we have introduced, SAT once again. SAT, I know SAT for a long time. SAT is one of the prominent cybersecurity distributor in Sri Lanka, and they are doing wonderful job. So keep up the good job, all my partners and SAT as a distributor. Wish you all the good luck, Sanjay, and the entire team. Over to you, Shabir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sunil.
Yeah.
So next, I'd like to, Mr. Sunil, before I go on to the next slide, when are you planning to have your book released, or at least ready?
That's a big, this cybersecurity. I want to tell my partners, whenever I start to, I completed some 5 and 6 pages, and after that, I have not got the time. There are so much of business. It's a not double-digit growth, rather. In some of the cases, I'm getting 50% growth. And to have that, manage that kind of a growth, you need time to be invested in the business rather than writing book. Book I will write once, this business. So right now there is an opportunity to grab, and I'm just grabbing that opportunity. And I would urge my partners to be in that business and become, millionaire, as we are going to be in the next 5 years down the line. So yes, it will be after 5 years. Okay. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Thank you very much, Mr. Sunil. So next, I'd like to introduce Mr. Rajiv, who's the Director, Channel Sales and Alliances for India and SAARC. Mr. Rajiv has also proven as a successful business leader with over 24 plus years experience. His experience in managing channel and distribution, and he has been involved in driving sales earlier in his career for the cybersecurity industry. So reaching out to partners like you and assisting us in something, as in channels is basically what Mr. Rajiv assures that we'll receive from him. So he's also experienced immensely in other industries and worked with multiple OEMs, and his main role right now has been driving channels and working with partners like you guys and distributors like SAT, and driving the business in Sri Lanka and all the other regions that he at least manages. But for us, he will help us quite a bit to take this to the market here. So Mr. Rajiv, over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Shabir, and good evening to everyone. So welcome you all once again on this platform. So Shabir, to answer your question for the book you asked to Mr. Sunil, I'm sitting beside him for the last 10 years. I'm also waiting for that, actually.
Oh, is it? Are you anywhere closer than Mr. Sunil, or are you also in the same boat as him?
Yeah, we sit in the same office, just next to him. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you to all my partners out here and for joining us on this virtual platform. So I actually missed this chance, visiting Colombo, okay, because of this unprecedented time and pandemic. I always love to meet our partner face to face, but I am very much optimistic in the coming months or in the coming quarters we'll able to meet. So I'm going to cover some, give you the glimpse of the partner program which we are running in Sophos. And as Sunil ji has already mentioned in his keynotes, that we are a 100% channel company, which means we do business 100% with our channel partners only. So our GTM is always channel centric. We believe in trusted partnership and transparency with our partners. It's not just, of saying this, but the last 10 years, our partners across this region, India and SAARC, they are experiencing the same. So we truly believe in value relationship, and our mission is to ensure that the partnering with Sophos, you have most effective product and services from Sophos, and unbeatable channel support, and always commitment from our team, Sophos team. And last but not the least is which is required for each and every business, that is the profitability, the lucrative benefits by selling Sophos product and services. So this is many of you are already Sophos partners and are aware of our partner programs, but the partners who have joined new on this today, and just a revision for our existing partners, that we have an excellent partner program which is running for the last 5 years. So we keep on innovating, we keep on improving this program, and it has 3 foundational pillars basically. One is profitability, trusted partnership, and the product portfolio which we are carrying. And last year, to improve, we have improved a lot on this partner program, and we launched a new partner program last year in which we have included our next gen resellers and our managed services providers. MSP is again a very exciting program. So basically we will cover it some other day. It's a session required for that. MSP, it's a managed service provider. Being a managed service provider, a partner can bill all the Sophos product and services on a monthly basis to their customer. It's like pay on use kind of model. So that we have introduced 3 years back, and it is one of your key initiative for this year. And definitely we will have a separate session on NSP. My colleague Nishant Sharma is front-ending this program, MSP. Okay. So this is the partner tier. If you see in the partner program, we have 3 tiers like authorized, silver, gold, and platinum. There are certain revenues, there are certain commitment which is attached to it. If you see for the silver, we have a threshold of 5K, for gold 50K, and 150K for the platinum. I'm not going to read the entire slide, but just give you the glimpse of that what exactly the tier is, how the partner program works. So there are certain certification which is required. You can see it on the screen to qualify these tiers. Moving on to the next slide. So as Sunil sir has already explained about to maximizing your revenue. So it is very, very important for any partnership to how to the profitability, the growth, and maximization of your revenue. With the Sophos, the kind of platform, the power platform we give to our partners for cross-sell and upsell. For end-to-end, we have end-to-end product portfolio starting from the UTM, the network, enterprise firewalls, then endpoint, XDR, MTR kind of services. So you can, from a single customer, you can go and upsell and cross-sell, which will give you more profitability, more revenue from your existing customer base. And also the new solutions like MTR or XDR will help you to acquire new customers in the market, new enterprise class customer in the market. Deal registration program is one of the important part of our partner program, as it is very important for a partner who is working on a deal, and it should be protected. So this deal registration will provide you the protection of your deal. And on top of it, it will ensure your higher margin, higher discount on that particular deal. Again, on the incumbency is again a very, very important that, to protect our partners who have sell appliances or maybe the licenses. And when it comes to the renewal, so we have to protect that partner on that renewal. So we have a very strong policy around it. We protect our incumbent partner under our incumbency protection. NFRs we provide NFR not for sales, appliances, and licenses for our partners, for their internal use, for their internal trainings and POCs to the customers. This is again a very, very important tool, important resource for any partner, that is Sophos Partner Portal. So it's an award-winning tool which helps you to manage and grow your business. You can do each and every, whatever required for a Sophos business, you can have it on the Partner Portal, starting from managing your opportunities, your leads and renewals, your managing your customer devices and licenses. There are a lot of trainings are available. You can also have a training and certification through Partner Portal, deal registration, incumbency claim. I mean, it's reduce the dependency on the Sophos team. You as a partner, you can do it most of the thing yourself through the Partner Portal, whether it's accessing the marketing tools like EDMs, the mailer which you want to send to your customers, competitive information, time to time it is required. So not depending always on the pre-sales team, you can go to the Partner Portal and download those competitive information when you are going to for a customer meeting. So a lot of technical and pre-sales help is also available on the Partner Portal, and this Partner Portal is also available as an app on your mobile phone. So please download it, register with us, and download this Partner Portal and make use of it. So it is just give you the ease of doing business with Sophos. So that's all from today from my side. I would like to, invite Prasanna, introduce Prasanna also, who is the head for South business, and Sri Lanka falls under South. So Prasanna, you want to add something in it? You want to say something on this platform?
Rajiji, I think you have covered most of the things. First thing, congratulations, Sanjay and team, Ryan. All of you have done a great job in acquiring this fantastic opportunity. I must say that we are super excited to have this combination together to address the partner needs, the customer needs across Sri Lanka. And let me tell you that we are at a huge growth path. And I'm sure that with the value addition, what you guys will bring, definitely will help partners, and we can achieve a great height in Sri Lanka and Maldives market. So that's it from my side. I think most of the things been covered by Mr. Sunil and Rajiv, and we have Prasad, who is out there. I think we are the one of the key UTM and endpoint, email, all solution vendor, means under one umbrella. Having our presence directly in Sri Lanka and Maldives market through Prasad and Levan. So hardly I see that any other competitor is having their own presence. So that's one of the best things what I can tell you, that what we bring for the partners and distributors for that region. So thank you once again, congratulations.
Okay, thank you, Prasanna, and thank you, and over to Shabir. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prasanna. Mr. Rajiv, I'll need you and Mr. Sunil to actually give me a second. Let me share the screen. Yeah. So can I have Mr. Sunil and Mr. Rajiv to hand over the certificate to SAT as the distributor?
Yes.
Mr. Rajiv, Mr. Sunil, is there anything you would like to add here, or can we move forward?
No, I think we have already. Sunil sir, you want to say something on it? Is he there?
Okay, so that's okay.
Okay,
then.
so I think it's a great moment for all of us, for being SAT is our distributor in Sri Lanka. I think with your presence, with SAT presence, your penetration in the market in Sri Lanka and Maldives, we will, grow exponentially in this region.
Thank you very much, sir. So next, I would like to introduce Mr. Sanjay Padmaperuma. I don't think I need to give an introduction for him. So he's our group CEO for South Asian Technologies, and all of you partners probably know him already. For those who don't know, well, he's the man. He's the guy who runs the operation here at SAT and all the other subsidiaries that we also have. So Mr. Sanjay, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shabir. First of all, let me thank Rajiv, Sunil for this opportunity. And first of all, let me assure you that we will give our best support, and we'll make sure that the business grows exponentially in the regions allocated to us. And we will do that by carving out new accounts, new partners, and we will grow the business and not just fight with the existing accounts. So that's the value that we'll bring in to Sophos. And as we go on and we build our relationships, you will realize how we operate and how we go on. And also, would be great to see you guys, and especially you, Sunil, sometime down in Sri Lanka. I think maybe towards the end of the year, we can probably have an event where you guys can come and meet our customers, partners personally. Looks like they have opened up the market for especially Indians starting next week, I think, but the current situation is still not that conducive for you guys to visit. So I think towards October, November would be good. And so let's hope we can meet up. I'm just going to run through a couple of slides. We've started operation in April 2009, and we rapidly grew. At that time, we had about 3 products, and those products we have deployed to about 75% of our top 100 customers in the first couple of years. As we went on, we expanded into Maldives, and we actually started our own operation in Maldives called the Systems Workshop. And also in 2018, we expanded our retail operation. Till then, we were mostly concentrating on corporate. And from 2018, we started our retail operation, and there we work with over 1,000 retail partners. And in 2019, we began our subsidiaries. First of such subsidiary was Safe Project, which started in 2019. And that was incidentally our 10th year anniversary as well. And then we continued breaking the company apart and building subsidiaries. And we also forayed into the IoT in 2000, IoT products and solutions in 2019. Shobha, you can carry on.
Sorry.
So currently we deal with about 75 odd corporate partners. I think most of the partners who are connected today are working with us, at least one or two products. We work with, our solutions are running in at least 700 customers in Sri Lanka. Right? So like I said, we work with about 1,500 retail partners. We currently carry about 45 solutions in the territories that we manage. Company has grown from 35 employees to now 130, and we now have 8 companies in our group. We have a very strong technical team, and we have, of course, in technical, the main thing is to get certification. So we have 300 plus certifications in our technical team. Go ahead, Sean. So what I want to talk to you is, we are not just a distributor where we are going to collect your PO and pass on a license or hardware equipment to you. We want to work with you. We want to help you grow, right? So to do all that, what we do is we, of course, make sure that our partners are trained and certified in the solutions that we carry. Shabir heads our solutions architecture team. So we go into customers along with your partner teams, and we pitch our solutions for these customers. So what we actually do is that with your assistance, we'll go into customers and we will position most of the solutions that we carry. So that actually makes it easier for the partners to go in and collect a PO or get the orders quickly. Like I said, we work, our solutions right now work, we give solutions for homes as well. So, but most of the companies will run at least one solution from SAP. So you can see the reach that we have. And that gives you a lot of opportunity to cross-sell and upsell. So that's the value that we are adding. Some of the partners may not have enough technical assistance internal. So what we do is we have our team who will support you and do the initial product demonstrations, POCs at the customer locations. So that's how we assist you and make sure that you guys succeed and get the orders and make more money and grow year on year with us. So also, Shobha, you can move on. Also, to help you all get the orders, get the business from customers, we do a lot of marketing activities. Most of it we do along with our partners. Some of it we do directly to our end customers. So we do probably the biggest IT event in Sri Lanka. We call it the CXO Forum. It's a weekend getaway for our C-level executives. We also do an event for our partners. I think most of you probably would have attended and you know what we talk about. We do a lot of knowledge sharing sessions where we bring in customers. We keep also partners such as yourselves, so you can come in, get updated, get to know our teams, and so on. As you know, we do a lot of product launches, press releases, and just to get the product names, solutions out there and make people understand the solutions that we carry. So that's a bit of what SAT is all about for those maybe one or two new partners that we are talking to today. Once again, thanks a lot for being in this journey with us. And thank you, Sophos team, for joining. And I'm sure we'll have many meetings and get-togethers as we go on, and we'll build this business together. And once again, thanks a lot for having this faith in us, and we won't let you down.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Sanjay. So we have Ryan next, who would introduce basically the team that runs Sophos in-house in terms of sales. So Ryan, over to you.
Hi everyone. Thanks, Shabir. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to connect with all of you after some time. Even though we would have loved to have had a physical launch, unfortunately, due to the prevailing conditions, we are not in a position to do so. I do hope all of you are keeping safe at your homes as well. As boss mentioned, we are very much keen to onboard Sophos and drive the business in Sri Lanka. Now, let me introduce a fabulous team, the complete team who will be working with you in the coming days. To start with, we have Thilan Costa, our sales manager, and also Niran Vijay-Vikrama, who is our product manager for Sophos, and who will be responsible to working with all of you as well. We also have Amani Padberia, our senior coordinator and our backbone in sales operations. So this is the direct Sophos team in terms of the business. Now, also, let me introduce our shared team, our marketing, our channels, and our tech support as well. Our marketing is headed by Nirmali, and our channels is headed by Taranga. So these ladies manage their teams in terms of ensuring all channel and marketing related activities are carried out smoothly with our partner network. We also boast a strong technical team who comprise of over 40+ certified engineers to support you. So as you can see, we are not one. We are a complete unit geared to grow the Sophos business in Sri Lanka while closely supporting our valued partner base. Shabir, I'll hand it over to you so you could introduce the tech team to our valued partners as well.
Sure. Thanks, Ryan. So giving you all a quick intro to our tech team. So we've got Rajitha Vikramarachchi, who's our AVP for tech. So he technically goes as the head of technical for SAT. And then there's me. So I go as senior manager technical. So I go as deputy for Rajitha. So the two of us look over the tech team, for which we also have a dedicated set of resources. We call them our pre-sales engineers plus our core team. There's quite a few names for them because, you know, the technical guys. So there's Sanod, Stilina, Janaka, and Chalmara. So they are all a part of our core tech team. And below all of us is where we've got the other tech engineers and even, in fact, Ryan and Mr. Sanjay also mentioned about the different certifications and our expertise in the tech space. So every resource that we have has the product allocated. So in our case right now, when it's Sophos, we have engineers who are dedicated resources for this particular product. They're going to be certified with all the relevant certifications that we require to be a part, as you know, to have a distribution ship with Sophos. And at the same time, every dependency around these are also certifications that our guys carry. So that's how strong our tech team is. And in case you all have any issues, you all can reach out to either one of us. And most of you all know us. And in case you all don't, you all could reach out to anyone on this call and we'll be able to help you all. All right. So next, I'd like to invite Thilan to quickly give us an intro onto the promotions that we have for the partners. Thilan, over to you, Mata.
Yeah. Thank you, Shabir. So firstly, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our valuable partners for keeping the time available for the Sophos launch with South Asian Technologies. I will not take much time to announce the big news for the coming quarter, that is Sophos Partner Promo on new business category. So as you can see in the screen, we are launching two separate offers for ESG, that is Endpoint Security Group and NSG Network Security Group. SAT always been a partner-oriented company and a value-added distributor. These promos are exclusively for the partner sales champions. Of course, that is you guys, where you can start billing with SAT from 1st of September, and the last order date will be 31st of December 2021. So these promo flyers will be officially emailed to you by next week from our team. And so lastly, some exciting gifts await for you all to grab. And I wish you all the very best with your future activities. So stay safe and stay connected with SAT. Thank you. Shabir, over to you.
Thanks, Thilan. So guys, if any of these gifts here look interesting to you, I suggest you all take a screenshot to say that we told you all that we're giving these out. So
Shabir, Yeah, Shabir, we are planning to send the flyer as well. So yeah.
Okay, all right, cool. So next, I'd like to actually we had a promotion that went on as well. We got most of all our partners basically to have the banner around the frame, more like around their profile pictures, and we were choosing the people with the most number of likes. So I'd like to congratulate these 5 individuals. So Chanaka Priyadarshana from Sri Lanka Telecom. I'm assuming all of you all are on this call right now. Mr. Nisal Tarinder from A Networks, Tarindu Uday from Finco, Charit Darshana from Finco, and Upul Vasanta from Finco as well. So we've got 3 guys from Finco. Congrats, guys. So you're walking away with a sponsored dinner every Friday for a month. Congrats again, guys. Marketing team or anyone from us, SAT group will probably reach out to you. We have your contact details. We know where you are. So we'll get in touch with you, and they will unveil more details on how you can get your gift. All right. Congrats again, guys. I hope you'll enjoy the dinners. Okay. Next, I'll like to introduce Mr. Prasad. He's a very good friend of ours, and we've worked in the past. Unfortunately, when he moved to Sophos, and we were not working together for some time. But now that Sophos is also closely going to be working with SAT, we're happy to have him also on board with us. So Mr. Prasad has also proved a lot of experience, and has basically proved himself in this IT industry for the last 15 years. In fact, Mr. Rajiv and Mr. Sunil also spoke about how much the industry has grown since Mr. Prasad, and in fact Mr. Liban as well, being a part of the local Sophos team. So Mr. Prasad currently works under the capacity of the country manager for Sri Lanka and Maldives, and he's been driving it for quite some time. And we in turn are extremely happy to have him working with us. And Mr. Prasad, thanks a lot for choosing us as well. And I'd like to have you say a few words as well, and then close this off.
Thank you, Shabir. Dear ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. It's a proud moment for every one of us who are witnessing today this grand onboarding of South Asian Technologies Private Limited as an authorized distributor of Sophos for the region of Sri Lanka and Maldives. I believe this association would be mutually beneficial to Sophos and SAT, but at the same time, our partners, they are our main pillar of strength. They are main pillar of our business. So they get the maximum benefits at large. Yeah, Sophos is a worldwide leader in next generation cybersecurity. And today we are protecting more than 420,000 organizations and millions of users in more than 150 countries. So if you talk about the intelligence plays most pivotal in today's world. And we are using threat intelligence that is powered with artificial intelligence and deep learning from Sophos Labs and Sophos AI. Sophos delivers a broad portfolio of advanced products and services to secure users, networks, endpoints, systems, public cloud. For what? To protect our customers against ransomware, malware, exploits, phishing, and the wide range of other cyber attacks. Sophos augments its product and service offerings from any other security vendors out there. Sophos provides a single integrated cloud-based management console. That's Sophos Central. This is a centerpiece of an adaptive cybersecurity ecosystem that features a centralized data lake that leverages a rich set of open APIs available to customers, partners, developers, and other cybersecurity vendors. Our dear partners, you have the flexibility to secure your customers with multiple products of Sophos that are managed through single pane of glass, Sophos Central. Partners can access end customer assets through Sophos Central Partner Console and provide services and do troubleshooting in a more secured manner at zero cost, which means you no longer need to move physically to support a customer. We have expertise with a local security engineer many of you must be knowing my colleague Levan Jayasekara. Since we are based in Sri Lanka, even conducting a presentation or discussion in native language, that may be Sinhala. So that is not going to be a challenge for you. A customer's biggest concern may not be security, but understanding their business needs. If we really understand their business, we'll be able to give the right solution. It could be the main reason of our success to achieve an exponential growth for the business of Sri Lanka and Maldives and world at large. My heartfelt thanks goes to each of you who have participated today. Your precious time with us today is greatly appreciated. You all are close to my heart, and certainly you are our pillars of strength. The journey we started today will be beneficial to every one of you. Here, I wish to extend my congratulations to SAT Chairman Sanjay Padmaperuma, CEO Ryan Kern, and to the entire SAT team. Thank you, SAT team, for organizing this wonderful and colorful virtual event, getting the presence of all our partners. I have to thank all of us Sophos team, starting from MD India SAC, Mr. Suni Sharma, Director Channels and Alliances, Mr. Rajiv Gupta, Director Sales Engineering, Mr. Ravindra Bhaviska, Director South Zone and Sri Lanka, Mr. Prasanna Kumar. Again, Pre-Sales Engineer India South, Mr. Santosh Waki, National Manager Channels and Programs, Mr. Nishant Sharma, Assistant Manager Channel Distribution, Mrs. Komal Agrawal, and my colleague, Security Engineer Levan Jayasekara, and many others who have supported throughout this onboarding process of SAT. Every good thing must come to an end. Yes, I'm talking about the end of today's session. So our business will grow every day together with you. Tomorrow onwards, we have one mission, that to ensure our end customers are safe with getting them equipped with Sophos cybersecurity products and services. Make them feel safe and make them believe that their security is in good hands. Rest is assured from Sophos. Looking forward to receive your support as well as you do. Let's make it a safer world from cyber threats. With that final remarks, I wish you all a very happy weekend, happy sailing, and stay safe. Signing off from Colombo, I am Prasad Vijayasuri.
Thank you very much. So thanks a lot, everyone. That sums up our session today. And we hope you have a clear understanding on how SAT and Sophos is going to work together in the near future. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either one of us, or you could probably email us. You could even, drop us, you can even drop into our office if need be, just because you know where our offices are. So please reach out to us. We're always here to help. And thanks a lot for joining us today. Stay safe, everyone. Take care.